Hello student. Today we will discuss about difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. देखो बच्चों, अभी डिफरेंस जानने से पहले हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में इन स्ट्रक्चर को डिफाइन किया, तो एक बार उनको अपने ब्रेन में क्लिक कर लेते हैं और स्टेप वाइज हम डिफरेंस करते हैं. वेरी इजी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आउटर मेम्ब्रेन और आउटर स्ट्रक्चर इज अ सेल वॉल. So point of difference is cell wall. Cell wall. You know, cell wall in prokaryotic is made up of peptidoglycan. Cell wall made up of peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan. And you know, in eukaryotic cell, plant have cell wall which is made up of cellulose, while in fungal cell or in fungi it is made up of chitin. While in animal cell cell wall is absent. This is a one difference between plant prokaryotic as well as in eukaryotic cell. Next one, come on the cell membrane. Next point of difference is cell membrane. And you seen cell membrane. In prokaryotic, cell membrane enfold to form mesosome. Enfold to form mesosome, while in eukaryotic there is no mesosome, that is mesosome absent. Another difference of cell membrane is in prokaryotic cell membrane bear respiratory enzyme. While in eukaryotic no respiratory enzyme are present. Mean respiratory enzymes are absent in cell membrane. This is the next 2 points of cell membrane. Then third one, after cell membrane comes cytoplasm. Another point of difference is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, you know, cytoplasm show streaming movement in eukaryote and Streaming movement is absent in prokaryote. What do you mean by streaming movement? Streaming movement. Streaming movement, that is movement in cytoplasm, यानी साइटोप्लाज्म सेल में मूव करता है, that is known as streaming movement. Means cytoplasmic movement which is absent in prokaryote, and streaming movement is present in eukaryote, in eukaryotic cell. Next difference which is also seen in cytoplasm, that is cytoplasm have or cytoplasm contain cell organelles which are absent in prokaryote and present in eukaryote. So this is the next sub difference, mean cell organelles. Next sub difference, cell organelles, that is mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, etc. are absent, and cell organelles are present. Next difference is ribosome. You know, ribosome are of 70S type in prokaryote and 80S type in eukaryote. Next is ribosome. Ribosome are 70S type and ribosome are of 80S type. While in eukaryote, we put a key point. In ribosome, in mitochondria, as well as in plastid, that is chloroplast, chromoplast, 70S ribosome are present. 70S ribosome are present. Again, I tell you, ribosome in prokaryote, 70S ribosomes are present, but in eukaryote, 80S ribosome. Detailed structure discuss later. But in mitochondria and plastid, 70S ribosomes are present. Then next difference is vacuole. Vacuoles are absent in prokaryotes. Vacuoles are absent. Which vacuole? That is sap vacuole. You know what do you mean by sap? Water along with the minerals. Sap is water along with minerals are known as sap. self vacuole are absent in case of prokaryote, but gas vacuole are present. But gas vacuole are present. While in eukaryotic cell, vacuole are present. This is the next difference. So next difference is synthesis of protein. Protein synthesis. Protein synthesis takes place in both. But difference is protein synthesis takes place in cytoplasm. क्यों? अभी आपको बताया कि जो राइबोसोम्स होते हैं वो साइटोप्लाज्म में होते हैं, बट इन यूकैरियोटिक सेल प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस takes place in cytoplasm as well as, अभी बताया आपको क्या कि यूकैरियोट्स में माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया प्रेजेंट होते हैं और प्लास्टिड प्रेजेंट होते हैं जिनमें 70S राइबोसोम होते हैं, और जहां राइबोसोम वहां प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. So protein synthesis also takes place in mitochondria and plastid. This is the next difference. Then nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. You know, nuclear membrane is absent in prokaryotic cell. Nuclear membrane absent. So, in prokaryote, nucleus is known as a nucleoid without nuclear membrane. That is, nucleus is directly present in cytoplasm. But in eukaryotic cell, nuclear membrane is present. Next difference is nucleoids. Nucleoid is a structure which is present in nucleus. So nucleoid also absent in prokaryote but present in eukaryotic cell. So these are the common difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell.